Hello children, welcome to today's class. We are going to continue with our lesson, the Delhi Sultans. In our previous video, we have seen about the Khalji dynasty. Okay, in our today's video, we are going to see about the Tughlaq dynasty. The Khaljis were declined by the Tughlaqs. The Tughlaq dynasty ruled Delhi from the period of 1320 to 1399 Common Era. The Tughlaq dynasty was established by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was succeeded by his son Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq is very much famously known in history as a confused genius. Why? You will come to know the reason why is he called the confused genius in the upcoming topics. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was capable administrator, was a good commander. So he was ruling his empire in a very good way and all his army troops listened to him properly as he was a very good commander. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a very good scholar. He was more interested in art and literature. Muhammad bin Tughlaq had very good plans for his administration, but most of his plans failed. Why? Because during the implementation, he will become confused, and Muhammad bin Tughlaq had the habit of taking emergency decisions. So, even though the plan was perfect, the implementation of the plans were not perfect. So, that is why he was called as the confused genius. So Muhammad bin Tughlaq's plans were good, but implementation or working out of the plans did not work out. Three major projects which he took in his empire was a great failure. 1. Shifting of the capital. Muhammad bin Tughlaq decided to shift his capital from Delhi to Devanagiri or Daulatabad in 1327 Common Era. Actually, Daulatabad or Devanagiri is 1400 kilometers away from Delhi. What happened is he ordered his entire population of people to shift from Delhi to Daulatabad. Okay, everyone found it difficult for shifting over a long distance. And the second thing what happened, so the Mongols attacked India from the northwest direction. Now, realizing his mistake, Muhammad bin Tughlaq again shifted the capital back to Delhi. Okay, this again caused hardship for the people for shifting of themselves from Devagiri back to Delhi. Second failure project of Muhammad bin Tughlaq was taxation in Delhi. So, in order to implement his plans, Muhammad bin Tughlaq needed more money. So, what did he do? He wanted to raise funds from the people as tax. So, Muhammad bin Tughlaq increased the land tax as well as introduced new taxes also. But the problem here was people were already suffering of famine. Famine means a bad situation where economical improvement was not there. Okay, in many aspects. So, when the people were economically down, that time if the Tughlaq ruler, if he increases the tax, then what will the people do? Will they be able to pay it properly? No, right? People were not able to pay and they were not able to accept the increasing of tax. So, what did they do? People started protesting against the increasing in tax. So, this made the Sultan withdraw his order. So, he cancelled the increase in taxation. So, the order which he has given was withdrawn. Third failure project was token currency. That is in the time 1330 CE, Common Era, Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced certain brass and copper coins, okay, whose value, the coins' value were equal to that of silver coins. Okay, the value of the brass and copper coins were equal to that of silver coins, and they were introduced and circulated in the kingdoms. But what happened? there was no proper control or check for production of these coins. So what did he do? What happened in his kingdom is many types of fraudulent coins, that is duplicate coins, started to spread across his kingdoms. So what will happen? The money which was introduced by Tughlaq was not useful because of the duplicate coins also. So the value of the coins were waste, has become waste. So thousands of coins, including duplicate coins as well as the original coins, were used by the people across the kingdoms. So since these were into circulation among the people, it caused some problems in the trading. So what did he do? Muhammad bin Tughlaq finally withdraw the token currency, that is the coin system, because it was a failure. So 3 projects: shifting of the capital, taxation in Delhi, token currency, 3 projects introduced by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq was a failure. Even though he was a confused genius, he was very much helpful to his people. He built many hospitals and alms houses. Alms houses were the houses for the poor. Very poor people stayed in alms houses. Muhammad bin Tughlaq died in 1351 Common Era. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was succeeded by his son Firoz Shah Tughlaq. On the map you are able to see the regions belonging to Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Thank you.